the Realme GT7 Pro stands out as a compelling choice for smartphone enthusiasts, offering a blend of advanced features and exceptional performance. Firstly, it is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring top-tier processing capabilities for seamless multitasking and gaming experiences. Secondly, the device boasts a 6.78-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1264 by 2780 pixels, supporting Dolby Vision and a variable refresh rate up to 120 Hz, delivering vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling. Thirdly, the camera system is impressive, featuring a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 50MP telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom, and an 8MP ultra-wide lens, catering to diverse photography needs. Fourthly, the GT7 Pro is equipped with a substantial 6,500 mAh battery, complemented by 120W fast charging, allowing for rapid power replenishment and extended usage. Fifthly, it offers ample memory configurations, with options up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage, accommodating extensive app usage and media storage. Sixthly, the device features an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor, enhancing security and providing quick access. Seventhly, it comes with IP68/IP69 certification, ensuring resistance to dust and water, adding durability for various environments. Eighthly, the GT7 Pro includes AI-powered features such as AI Sketch to Image and AI Motion to Blur, enhancing creative capabilities and photo clarity. Ninthly, it supports advanced connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 7 and 5G, ensuring fast and reliable internet access. Lastly, the Realme GT7 Pro offers these premium features at a competitive price point, making it an attractive option for those seeking high-end specifications without a flagship price tag.